Hey there everyone, it's Mike Thomas here. Welcome to my Continuum review. Right now you'll notice I'm not in my normal office. I'm actually at our lake house right now, but that's not stopping me from letting you know about a product that's going to be coming out today that I think that some of you may want to take a look at and some of you may want to actually take a miss on this as well. Now, this product, Continuum, is based on Jono Armstrong's success with using webinars in his business. As you can see here, he's been able to make over $164,000 in the last 30 days by using this business model. Now, the business model that he's using is he has his own products, his own high-ticket webinars that he's able to sell through the power of both live and through what's called an automated webinar. An automated webinar is essentially a webinar that someone can sign up to and they can either watch it when they want to watch it or it can be scheduled at different times. The reason why this is good is because if you do a webinar and it's at 11 a.m. Eastern in New York, but you've got a customer that's in Australia, that might be 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning for them and not everyone is able to attend. Automated webinars also make it so that you don't have to worry about doing your webinar over and over and over again. It's great doing it a few times, but once you've done a webinar over and over again, it gets a bit tiring and the performance goes down, the sales go down, and no one wins in that situation. Now, another hard part of doing what Jono does is you do need to have a high ticket program to sell. So if you don't have a high ticket program, then it makes it really hard to even do this, even if you have webinars. You might have a $47 product that you're selling, but you can't really make a lot of money with that. You need something that costs $500, $1,000 or more in order to really make the kind of money that Jono makes here. So what Continuum is Jono has put together a program that includes both a software and training. The software includes an auto webinar component where they've inserted done for you webinars with done for you products where you're able to make commissions on them without ever having to make your own product or make your own webinar yourself. Today in my review video, I'm going to be going through, showing you the backend area, showing you the actual webinar system, doing a quick walkthrough. Also, I'll be showing you the upsells that you'll be seeing so that you can make a better decision on whether or not this is right for you. I've also got a great bonus package. So if you end up purchasing this through my link, I'm going to be giving you bonuses that are exclusive only to me that you'll only be getting if you purchase through my link. The first one is I'm going to show you how to sell anything with webinars. So if you've been wondering how to sell with webinars yourself, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to teach you step by step how to create a webinar that sells like crazy. So if you've been wondering like, okay, I'm not scared of doing a webinar, but I don't know how to put one together, I'll teach you that here. My bonus number 3 is I'm going to reveal 7 webinar scheduling secrets to maximize your registration. So if you want to get more people on your webinars to actually watch, then this is going to be a great bonus for you. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you special admission to Affiliate Income Secrets. This is a product that I personally made, teaching how I was able to build up a business that makes over $10,000 a month from affiliate marketing. On top of that, I've got a bunch of extra bonuses that I got for you here. You're going to get list building on steroids, a 10K storytelling formula, how to bank with bonuses, crazy traffic explosion, and all the other vendor bonuses that other people are going to be offering. You're going to get them through me as well by purchasing through my link. Now, once you log into the members area, you're going to see a bunch of different training here. They've got the setup, they've got the software, they've got traffic training, the bonuses, everything that you need here to be successful with this. I recommend going through all these different videos so you can understand what's going on and not try to do things and put in a support ticket wondering why things don't work without actually going through this training. Now, there is a software that is included with this program. The software is an auto webinar software. But what other people won't be telling you here is something that I was able to figure out by demoing it, is that this is actually a licensed version of a software called Meetvio that I actually recommended to you earlier this year. So this is a product that has been taken and they've taken the Meetvio license and they've added in their own done for you webinars to the software. Now, I don't have anything wrong with that, especially since the fact that if you go out there and you try to buy this software on your own, you're going to be paying upwards of $77 just for the basic version and $97 for the full version here. So if you're just looking to get the access to the auto webinar component of this, it's actually a really good deal for the price point of this product. And talking about different price points here, if you're going to go out there and try to find a software to do auto webinars for you, we're looking at things like EverWebinar, that's $499 a year, GoToWebinar, $200 to $400 per month. Stealth Seminar, $135 per month. And then you have Continuum, which is just a really super low one-time price. Once you log into the dashboard of the software, you'll see that it's fairly self-explanatory here. You are going to want to go into the settings area and change your time zone, make sure your name is written correctly in there. Just make sure everything's all set up in there. If you've got an autoresponder, you want to set that up in there. Just make sure that everything is all set up before you go and create your webinar. To create your first webinar, you just want to come up here and click on Create Auto Webinar. And that little thing will move around there a little bit. Then you'll come over here where you create your webinar. Now for your title, you can title it whatever you want. 10K day with Mike, whatever you want to do it. Event description, learn how to make 10K per day with Mike. You can upload a photo to it. So if you've got something you want to put in there, you can upload your photo. And then here's the cool part. So what they have here is you can do your own webinar if you've got your own webinar you want to put in it, or you can use one of theirs. So if you go in here, they've got, I believe, 3 done for you on the front end here. And one of them that they've got here, like over here, is Jono's program here, Ministry of Freedom, I believe it's called. And you add that in here, it adds the webinar in there for you. You can also add in your affiliate links, and they have a place right inside the members area where you can grab your affiliate link and you're going to get approved for that for his program. So you add in your affiliate link, add in the date and the time. You can have it be a watch now webinar. You can have it send notifications. You can enable incognito registration, all that stuff. They've got different customization here, customize the layout. You can have your email templates. You can have a custom logo, an event logo. For your participants, you can have the chat settings so that only like everyone sees everything, that you only see it, or there's even no chat there. You can invite participants here. They've got reminder email set up. To do this, you will need to have something like a SendGrid, a Gmail, or your custom SMTP from your hosting. So you will need to set that up in there if you want to have that. And that just brought me out of there. So I'm not sure if it's going to load this up again. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, that's fine. And then you have the extras here, so you can do an auto redirect after the call is done. You can add in custom buttons for it, etc., there for that to work. So once you're done, you would go in here and you would create your event after you put in all your information. And then if you want to go to your event here, I'm just going to go and grab one of these here. I'm going to copy this registration link. We can open that up right here. And this is how you can actually, you can see the back-end area here, write replies to people's comments here, manage your attendees that are on the call. You can see what this looks like here for that. Now I'm going to show you what it would look like for someone that is going to be signing up for it. Now here's what it would look like if someone's signing up for it. Of course, this is my test one, so I just said test there and test. You would put your name of your webinar in your description here. Has a countdown timer for it, or this one I put an option for it to start immediately. So then someone can click start now. They can enter their name in here and claim their spot to get started. Now they do say that the best experience, and they have a little notification, is for Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and those are the major browsers that people are going to be watching on. Now let's take a look at what happens when someone actually signs up for a webinar. So if they click on claim your spot, I've selected start now, so this webinar is going to start right now. It means that they won't have to wait for it to begin. The webinar is going to start immediately, so you're not going to lose that person. I personally like this. Now since it is Safari, you're going to have them click the little link here to start it, but now if I try to click it, I can't stop that from going on anymore. I'm going to actually mute this so you guys don't hear it. And then the person, this is the experience that the person sees. They can write questions here, and once you do call to actions, if you have them want to buy something, the little button will come up here, and that's when they will be able to click on it, and you'll be able to make money from this webinar experience. Now back in the members area here, I just want to make sure you guys understand there is traffic training as well. So there's going to have training on AdWords, training on YouTube here, so you can go and you have the placements and keywords, and scaling this up, making sure that you're able to take this system. You've got both, you've got the webinar system, you've got the webinars, you've got the offers that you're approved for to make money with, and they teach you how to get traffic. It's pretty much a done for you system at a really low price. So that's essentially what this product is. You get both the software and the training and the webinar system on the front end at a really, really low price. There are a bunch of OTOs here, so let's go over these together. First OTO is going to be the Continuum Pro Edition. This has more done for you, high ticket webinars in it with more advanced training so that you can get even more traffic and have even more webinars to sell. OTO 2 gives you 5 extra pre-made webinars, again, more webinars to sell with. OTO 3 is the affiliate bundle here, so you get a bunch of Jono's products here that you can access and get 100% commissions once you sell them. And number 4 is multi-license rights to sell his top 4 top selling products here. So he's got Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish, so you can get resale rights to sell all of those. So what do I think of Continuum? I'm going to be straightforward and honest with you. It's not the most amazing auto webinar software in the world. There are better substitutions out there. However, they are higher prices. That being said, this is a software that works and it includes training from a guy that is doing almost $200,000 in profit per month using the power of high ticket offers and webinars. In my opinion, if you're going to pick this up, it's worth it simply for the training. Just considering the fact that Jono is really smart when it comes to this, and it's not like he's just making like $5,000 a month from doing this. He's making insane amounts of money. And of course, if you end up picking this up through my link, make sure that you access your bonuses. They're going to be right inside of Warrior Plus for you, so you can access them right when you purchase and have all of my special bonuses as a way of saying thank you for picking this up through my link. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure that if you're on YouTube that you click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on MikeFromMaine.com, you can also subscribe underneath this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next review video, hopefully not from our lake house. Thanks.